guys, Nana Konamah here, and I'm on a mission to help you find your authentic self. It's harmattan over here in West Africa, and my skin sometimes gets super dry. I get these dry patches in my cheek area, and honestly, they have got to go. But what to do? I know just the thing. Start with a tablespoon of raw honey. I use raw and white Ghanaian honey and add a heaping tablespoon of organic Moringa powder. Use a spoon or your finger to mix it around until you have a perfect mixture. The mixture is completely edible and actually tastes really good. You might be tempted to lick it off your face. Once the mixture is done, spread it all over your face like any other mask, making sure not to miss any spaces. Now wait 10 minutes. Use those 10 minutes to be useful, which is completely opposite of what I'm doing in this video. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment below. Of course, feel free to share and subscribe. If this video interests you, I have other great video recipes on how to live a balanced life and find your authentic self, so go ahead and check them out as well. Once the timing is up, wash your face. Your skin should feel super clean and very hydrated, perfect for the drying effects of harmattan. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to visit my website, nanakonamah.com. That's where all the fun goes down. See you later.